God, I beg. How you don't know what I do? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh, guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching me. How are you guys doing? It's been a while that I did vloggy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I think I'll be doing like a weekly vlog in this channel. Let's see how it goes. Vlog was actually my thing when I started, but as we are going in the journey, I've been in our, I stopped. I don't even know. I think vlog is so hard. Doing vlog is one of the hardest video. I think it's harder than recording and just talking, but I love vlog. I'm going to start doing vlog again. Let's see how it goes. How are you guys doing? A beautiful Saturday here. I just woke up. My face is still a little bit swollen. Let me take it. Make sure you take water after waking up in the morning. Take water. It's very therapeutic. I advise from a health practitioner like me. I'm a nurse, I'll be doing some cleaning, like I'll be washing. Then I think I'll go to the market and do some reading because I'm preparing for exam, So let's get right into the video, guys. Okay. Oh guys, I'm heading out to go and buy detergents that I use and wash clothes. So you can see that everywhere is still heavy and it's still dry because people has not actually come out, like stores has not actually opened yet. So that's why. Let's go and buy detergents that we use and wash clothes.
Just comes in
Yeah.
languages. Thank you.
How much? The collection charges.
Yes.
Ha. Wow. How much charges?
No, I just enjoy.
Hey, oh my gosh. Guys, see all the clothes that I'm going to wash now. Hey, Chimo. Hey, well, I've not actually washed clothes in a while now. A very while. So I think that's why the clothes are made like that. Let's get right into the work. Guys, imagine washing clothes. What kind of witchcraft rain is this one? So the sky is still like, still bright, even though it's raining. And wow, all day today that I'm washing clothes. God help me, how do I do this thing? I'm heading to the market right now. So come with me to the market to get some food stuffs and some other things that I need. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Okay, let's get right into the video. It rains and everywhere is so everywhere is so let me show you guys. Guys, see flood everywhere. Oh my god. See. Hey, we have to walk gently, so that I will not stain myself or even fall. No. I don't even know how the inside market is going to look like with this rain and with the way everywhere is. Look at this one, how flooded this place is. What if it's not there anymore?
This thing was full like a mountain. I know how they used to sell it. Can't bring more rice. This one is that thing was like, oh my god. Mommy is just lucky. Yeah, my mom is lucky. Yeah? You are here. Like shells.
don't put.
So are you to spend animals spend 10 minutes? Standing like that.
Yes, yeah. She has just to get from
You don't see. You don't see.
One you go sell it. Because I go sell it 1,000. Small put on 1,000.
mobile is fine.
No, see what you want. I need that. This one, buy something. Salatin tongkat.
Make you look for the wrong come up.
Nylon. God, I will. How you don't know what I do?
Your leg don't touch me. I see you, my bro.
See what what is really they look good? I never seen they record before.
Not small for here.
Small.
That place no good. Small, no good.
Now what? Hey guys, just got back from the market now. Today is actually a rainy day. It's still raining. Oh my gosh, market today not just sweet. Thank you all for watching. Excuse me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do also like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Never don't be the lights. Yo guys, thank you all for watching. Oh my god, it's still raining guys, it's still raining. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy my vlog, so I'll see you guys in my next vlogging. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Okay, stay tuned for new interesting upcoming vlog. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Let me go and have a hot shower, sleep. I might make food, I don't know yet, but let me just go and have a hot shower, sleep, because the rain that beat me today, I'm already feeling cold, and I didn't even cover my body that much. So this is what I want. Oh my god, I feel fine. Bye bye guys.